This is plasma and this is the blood. They will start the PRP on my mata. Hello guys, so today I'm with the doctor again. Today we are gonna do PRP for my hair treatment. This is the second time. I came 1 month earlier and today is the second time to do PRP. And yeah, check out the video and you will see what PRP will do to you. Thank you. The nurse just took my blood. He's gonna put it in the tube and he's gonna put it in a machine, and then they will start the PRP on my mata.
Now this is the centrifuge machine. Now your blood is in test tube for 15 minutes. At the 3000 rotations per minute, it will rotate and separate two components in the blood. One is plasma and one is serum.
Okay.
After 3000 RPM for 15 minutes, it will be separated. So I will show you after 15 minutes. Till that time, we will have some Coke.
Okay. Thank you.
Welcome back to New Roots Hair Clinic, Bangladesh. Today we have Jamal Bhuyan with us for his second PRP, and almost 50 days he has completed for his hair transplant. So let's see what is the outcome after 50 days of hair transplant. Almost 50 days we have completed for your hair transplant.
Yes.
So today we are doing your PRP.
Yes.
And it helps for existing and new hair both. Now we can see here 50% of hair are grown.
Yeah.
50% are yet to come, and these are baby hair. So what are your feelings in 50 days and about this result, which is still not complete and still yet to come?
So far I'm very happy with my hair transplant. I can see a lot of hair has grown the right places which I wanted. So far I'm very satisfied. As you said, there are still 2-3 months. After 2-3 months we can see the final result, but yeah. So far I'm very happy.
Yeah. So first 2 months there is shading phase. After that the growth phase starts, and now slowly by slowly the hair will come, and within 6 months almost all hair will be grown, including your hairline and crown. In these first 6 months, your diet and what medicines you take, it's very important. So already he is taking some serum, some multivitamins, and his diet is very much balanced due to his athletic events. So can you please guide us, our patients, so that they can get help what diet you are taking, because these results are very faster, because after 3 months the results start to come, but this hair have started to grow 1 month before. So not only procedure, not only medicines, but the diet is also very much important. So what diet you are taking and what diet you are following, please let us know so that everyone can get benefit from it.
Yeah, first of all, you need to eat vegetables, a lot of vegetables, which has a lot of vitamins in it. It's very important to get a lot of vitamins. It's very important for the hair. And you can eat normal like you always do, but don't eat so much fast food. Try to, the home meal is the best meal. So what you eat at home should be healthy food. You all know what's healthy food. I don't want to say what's not healthy food. We all know what healthy food is, but try to eat a lot of vegetables. It will definitely help you, and you can supply it with vitamin pills, as I did. And the doctor also gave me some serum, which I put every day in my hair before I go to bed. So it will also help with the hair growth. But yeah, a lot of vitamins is very vital for growth of your hair.
Diet is also most important along with your medication, so that we can see more earlier results and more good results. So let's take the PRP. I think it must have been ready now.
Yes, let's go, guys. Chalo. So guys, this is plasma and this is the blood, and for the PRP we will use this one, and they will put this in my head. Hello friends, so I just did the PRP. I also did it in my face. Apparently it's also good for your face. So doctor gave me some in the face. But overall it was very good, and I'm very happy, and I didn't feel pain. So I'll see you guys after 2-3 months, and we'll see what's gonna happen with my hair. Thank you guys.